What is up, guys? So today we got a package in, and it's gonna be like a little slight unboxing, but it's a package I've been waiting forever for. I'm super excited to show you guys. So here it is. It is from Heartbeat Percussion. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. So here we go. So we ordered this last week. Today is currently Monday, the 21st, March 21st. We ordered it last Wednesday. So, I'm excited for this. We needed some new cymbals at the church, so told the church what I needed. Ordered it online, and here it is, man. Now this came from all the way from Canada, so not too bad shipping. DHL doesn't ship on weekends, so it makes complete sense. Alright. So new dang, what's it called? Styrofoam cymbal. Yeah. Cool. Alright. First things first, got this shirt. That is dope. Definitely wearing that soon. Next up, bubble wrap. Woo-hoo. First thing first, we got some 17-inch hats. Oh yeah, stickers, I love stickers. So 2 Heartbeat stickers right there, massive ones. And then these are going on laptop for sure. We got these. And then also these papers. So these are 17-inch hats. These are massive. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to put on these. These are beauts. Get those. Wrap it right quick. Done with that. Next up, we got our Studio Crash 20-inch studio. Oh my god, they're massive. It's like, wow, this bell is gnarly, dude. So you get some clips. Dang. It is washy, man. That should be our Epic, right? Yep. Our 22-inch Epic Crash. Bro, these are massive. Dude. So, if you guys don't know, we had V8s, okay? V8 cymbals. Whole set. We had 14-inch hats, 16-inch crash, 18-inch crash, and a 20-inch ride. So this Studio Crash is technically the size of our ride right now, and we're just going massive, epic. Oh my gosh! Now, something you guys need to know is that I actually really wanted the Epic Ride 24-inch, but some back order. I'm not waiting, but once it comes in, I'm ordering that sucker myself. Dang. That is beautiful. Last but not least, 24-inch medium thin jazz ride. 24-inch, man. jazz ride. Oh my god. That is massive, man. It's massive. Beautiful though. Oh my god, I can't wait to play. Look at this. Look how flat the bell is though. Man, love this. Alright, so dude, I'm so stoked on these cymbals, man. But I did not pay for these. The church completely paid for it. I just chose what I wanted and we ordered it. But to give you guys an idea how much these all cost, I'm gonna break it down for you guys completely. Honest with you. So the 17-inch hats, the classic hi-hats, were $475. 20-inch Studio Crash, $359. 22-inch Epic Crash, $419. The 24-inch Jazz Ride, $475. All come out to $1728. Not bad for these. I was going to just settle for the K Custom Darks, but I wanted something a little bit bigger. And the message behind Heartbeat is beautiful, so I went with it, and dude, I'm so stoked to play on these this Sunday. I think I played this Sunday, but dude, so I'm gonna take you guys tomorrow to the church and I'm gonna play with it and set it up. So it's gonna be a 2-day vlog technically. So like this is the unboxing, and then tomorrow will be us playing it. Cannot wait, man. I'm so stoked. I can't even express how excited I am to play on these. And dang, dude. But definitely, you guys are looking for some new sets of cymbals, check out Heartbeat. I haven't played them yet, but I already know I'm gonna be so stoked on these. But yeah. All right, y'all. So we out here at the church right now. Day 2 of this vlog. So we're gonna go ahead, take off the old cymbals. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the old cymbals real quick also, and then put on the new cymbals and probably do some sound checks with it, just because it is a different size cymbal, and so we're gonna try to tune in the sound on the board today. So our music pastor's actually here right now, so I'm gonna see if he has a key or if he's inside the sanctuary. And yeah, here we go. Also, can't forget to gotta grab my Starbucks, guys. My grande shaken espresso with oat milk and classic. Banger. Okay, so JD actually just showed up too. So we're gonna go ahead and get the church opened real quick. And yeah, here they are. You've seen them yesterday. I got them right here. And so, can't wait. Yeah. All right. Old ones. These B8s. The new ones. The size of my Studio Crash, my small Crash, is the size of my old ride. 20-inch B8 ride, 18 Crash, 16, 18, 14-inch hats. Now my new hats are bigger than my small Crash from the old set. Let's assemble this.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Alright, what's up guys? So yesterday I couldn't finish the video because my battery died during the time lapse. So I did test out the cymbals. We mic'd it up, tested on the soundboard, sounded beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick clip of me testing them out yesterday. So obviously the audio isn't gonna be the greatest because it came from my phone, but this Sunday when I do play, I'll definitely record and get you guys some clips and bits of it. But if I paid out of my own pocket for those cymbals, it'd be so worth it. Even though I didn't pay for them, still so worth it. Like, heartbeat cymbals are beautiful to wash, you just dry, and perfect for worship. So I cannot wait to like really beat on them and actually like play on them. So definitely I'll make a video this Sunday of me playing. But dude, yeah, I'm so stoked. So stoked. Alright, so I know I suck at ending videos, so I'm actually gonna make an outro video today. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next vlog. See you, G.
Trust, now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So